Hi there. Now today I'm going to be doing a video which is going to show you how to join a DarwinXZero account, and this is for the MT4. Now if you watched the last video you would have seen me where I've basically got the MT5 account up to what I want to get it to, basically where I've got a £90,000 under management allocation, and I've got about a yearly money coming in now of £1,777.20. Okay, so basically this thing will start to run itself. So the next step is that we're going to move into setting up an MT4 account. Now I'm going to show you that it's very simple. We need to set this up just as if it's a separate account. So the best way to do this, okay, is to actually use your window top right hand corner. Go to, actually we'll do it through Chrome, it's a lot easier. We're in Chrome here. We're going to click on top right hand corner. We're going to click on new or incognito window, and we're going to type in DarwinXZero. Okay, and we're looking for this one here, okay, which is this one here. So we're going to click on this, and what we want to basically do is we want to get where I can actually sign up. Okay, so I'm going to click on the sign up button, and then it's going to tell me that you'll set up your subscription. So it's telling me here that for 1 year, okay, it's going to cost me $38 a month. Now what you've got to try and remember, okay, this is quite important, is that if you was going for a prop firm, you'll pay anywhere from $34 to $100 to have this prop firm. You'll probably find you'll blow your account up within 3 weeks to a month if you don't quite know what you're doing. And when you've done that, you'll find then that you're going to struggle, because you know you've wasted that money when you could have actually set up a DarwinXZero account, okay, which is designed to actually withstand high drawdown. But more importantly, you're pushing yourself towards a goal of creating an investment, okay, a long-term project where you're going to be making a monthly income coming in every single month. And then you're going to use, once you get it up to a manual state and you get a certain allocations on it, you're then going to use bots which are going to keep your actual account topped up. Okay, that's the whole idea of this system, and that's how it will work. Okay, so what we're going to do is I'm going to put my email in. So my email I'm going to use I'm going to be using this one. Now remember what I said, you need to make sure that your email is completely different from your other one, otherwise it's going to conflict. So this is going to be tradingmethods@darrenbrown.org.uk. okay, and then my username could be anything. I'm going to put Darren's Trading. Okay, and I'm going to put MT4 because this is going to be my MetaTrader 4, because it's going to be the one that's going to be working on that. So just make sure I've got it spelled right. Darren's Trading MT4, and then I'm going to make sure that it is a United Kingdom account. Okay, and then I'm going to click on. Now I'm not sure if I can use my discount, but I'll try it. I'm going to see if I can use my other discount thing. Okay, so it looks like we couldn't quite convince you. What did we do wrong? I didn't understand. 50% performance is too low. Let's cancel that. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to go in here. I'm going to grab my link. Okay, I'm just going to see if I can do this, and I'm going to paste my link in here like so, and then I'm going to hit apply. Okay, so that's applied, and that's brought it down now to $28.50. So if there's anyone that's watching this, okay, you can use my link and it's going to save you basically another tenner a month. Okay, so that can't be too bad. Now I'm going to agree to the privacy policy, and now I'm going to hit continue. Okay, oh, and Forex on MetaTrader 4. Okay, so this is what I've set myself up for, because this is what I wanted to do. So now it's asking me for my name. So basically I put all my details in. What I've got to be careful with is my address. If it's different, or it should be fine. Okay, and state of province, which is going to be Let's do Buckinghamshire. Sometimes if you can't find it, you have to just put something else or as close as. So you can see that. Let's do Milton Keynes. That one there. Okay. I'm going to pay by PayPal. And then I'm going to subscribe with PayPal Express checkout. By using this account, you can make payments securely. And then I'm going to click this. Now, what you want to do is make sure, because if you're setting this as an MT5 account, then you need to make sure that you set it with MT5. I want this for MetaTrader 4. Okay. You can do crypto and Bitcoin and stuff. You can also pay by Bitcoin as well if you want to. But I'm going to be setting this up with Forex and CFDs on MetaTrader 4, and I'm now going to hit subscribe with PayPal. Subscribe with PayPal Express checkout. By using this account, you can make payments securely. I'm going to hit PayPal, and this is going to open up. Now, the account, when you're looking at this now, what might have happened is the screen might have gone fuzzy. This is just to protect my password, okay? Because obviously I want to make sure that my password is protected. And you can see now that I'm going through using the PayPal account. You see it spinning around, and you'll see that it's asking me for my code. So I'm just going to go and get my phone. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm going to confirm this with my mobile. So I'm going to click next. And now it's going to give me a code, and I'm going to put the code in, and then I should be all ready to go. Okay, so I just need to add the code in. It's very, very simple. You see that it's literally taken me less than 5 minutes to set this up. Okay, and you're all ready. Just a second. It's now just authenticating. It's running through its tests, etc. It's going to be drawing the money out from here. Okay, use my balance if I've got balance in there first. Agree, and that's it. This is set up now where it comes out of my PayPal account. And we're done. Payment completed successfully. So I'm now a proud owner, if you like, of my second DarwinXZero account. It says you need to verify your email address to access your platform. So what I basically do is I would go in here. It's going to be in here. Just need to refresh this. Bring this over here. And what I want to do, I want to show you exactly how you set this up. So set up your DarwinXZero password. This is what I need to do. This is what I need to set up, and thank you for trusting DarwinXZero. This is where I can literally now set up my account. Now I'm going to continue this training because this is going to really help you. So what I'm doing is I'm just going to pause it while I get into the position. Okay, so basically I've clicked on my link, which is inside. This is the email that was sent to me, okay, when I've purchased it, and it's now saying for me to choose your password. Okay, what you need to do is when you get this page come through, okay, choose your password. What you need to do is right mouse click, it's very important, okay, right mouse click, copy link address, okay. Once you've done that, you want to go back over to your DarwinXZero account, which you've already set up in incognito mode, okay, and then you want to add in your password, okay. Very, very simple, nothing too much to worry about. So I'm just going to pause this while I do the password. In fact, it stars it out anyway. So basically, you just want to make sure you put your password in, like so. Okay, and now hit reset password. Build your track record from monthly zero. Yep. Okay, reset password. And the other thing which we need to do as well, if we go back into the inbox, because now we've done the password. You want to make sure that you click on trust. Thank you for the trust. I'll just click on here. Make sure that I haven't got to check. And you can see this is my invoice and payment details. You can see that $28.50 a month ain't bad for a 100k account, which you can actually start to profit on. And you can have this as long as you like. All you need to do is pay $28.50. If you get to a point where your $100 or your 100k account is blown out of the water, I show you training of how we can reset this module, okay? And what's really good is they haven't charged you a £90 setup fee. They've just literally let you go in for $28.50, which is really good, because in the olden days that's what they used to do. And then we're going to go to trading account open, and you can see that it's actually showing me in here where I can actually download this. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab MT4 Windows. I'm going to see if I can download this. Here we go. So I've now got this. So this is going to be the thing I need. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my server, which is this one here. Okay, I'm going to just put this down. Let's go back. Done that wrong. Click on there. Go into my VPS. This is my VPS. Okay, I'm just going to move this up here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on PC, and I'm going to load in here. Just going to pop it in here like so. Okay, so this is Darwin4 setup exe file. So now all I need to do is double click on this. This is going to open it up. It's going to set it all up. Now what you can do is click on settings, and I'm going to just put second setup, or actually I'll put second Darwin MT4. Okay, and now I'm going to hit next, and we're going to allow this just to set itself up. It doesn't take too long. Remember that this is a full trading platform, but you can start trading with MT4. This is the beauty with this. Okay, and the beauty of it is you've got 100k that you can actually start to work with. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be setting up the waka on this, also the geek. I'm going to put the geek on here as well, and I may try the simple machine, which is got some good results as well, because this is MT4. We've got lots and lots of bots that are inside Darren's Trading Academy that we can start to use. Remember, the set files are all included with inside my Trading Academy, which I've had some great results with. Okay, so we just literally got to wait now until this is finished. Looks quite good the way it's coming up with MT4 DarwinX. And then I'm really pleased now that I'll be able to get this up and running, because this is going to give us more of a chance of getting some really good results with a 100k account, instead of working with prop firms or other accounts like Robo4x, which are cent accounts. So this is why it's going to work really, really well. So basically where this is loaded up, this is going to open up our trading MetaTrader 4. You're going to see the screen flash very, very shortly. Here we go. And then it's asking me to set up what one to go on. Now the pings aren't too bad. We can see that 17 and 16, less is better. Okay, what we need to do is go back to your go back to here. Okay, and we want to click on here. I want to have a look inside my compose, and what I want to do is I want to look at my DarwinXZero account, which is this one. It's this one here. This one here. Let's click on here. It's going to show me my server, which is MT42 DarwinX.com. Again, you won't be able to see that because the screen's gone blank, okay, or it's gone a bit fuzzy. The reason why it's gone fuzzy is because I don't want to expose what you can see, and you can see that this is the one which we've got to set it up with. So we're going to go back into the server. I'm going to click on this one here, and then we're going to hit next. Now it's going to ask us to join because it's an existing trading account, because it's already been set up. So this is classed as an existing account. We're not setting up for new. You want to click on the existing trade. We want to go back into here, and we want to copy in our login code, which is the top one for MT4 login. We're going to copy this. Going to go back to our VPS, or if you've got this on your machine, because you can run this on your machine. The only good thing of having it on a VPS is if you've got a power cut, you're not going to lose your trades. And now we need to make sure we add the password, which is here. This is my master password, so I'm just going to pop this in here like so. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up the waka as well. I'm going to show you that in action. There will be a module that's going to be coming out with that. That's a separate thing, but I'm just going to see so you can see it in action. Okay, and we're going to click on and put the password in, paste, and then once you've got your login and your password in, you're just going to hit finish. and this is going to spring to life. You normally hear a few little bits of noises, and before you know it, the system is up and running. You'll also know that my balance is £100,000. Okay, this is great because this just gives me so much to play with. I'm only going to be setting the account up as if I'm playing with a 10k account. This means that if I add other bots, I can literally set it up as if it's another 10k account. So effectively I'm going to have about 3 or 4 bots running on this account, and I will keep you posted on how this is doing. So what we're going to do now is we're going to put the waka on this. So the first thing we're going to do is go to AUD CAD, and I'm just going to drag this across. I'm just going to neaten this up. Now you've seen me do this so many times, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put the waka on. Okay, and the best way to do this is I'm going to go back to my downloads. I'm going to copy my waka set because I need this. Okay, I'll show you how to put this in as well. We're going to go back to the VPS. We're going to go to File. We're going to go to Open Data Folder. We're going to go to MQL4. We're going to go to Presets. We're going to create a folder called waka. Enter. And then we're going to put our set file in here. Now, the only reason you do this is so you know where the set is, okay? And then we're going to close this, and then we're going to go and get our waka bot. Okay, so I'm going to go back here. You'll see that this is the fix. We're going to use this one here. We're going to right mouse click. We're going to copy this, and we're going to go back to here, which is obviously MT4 trading account. And we're going to go Open Data Folder. We're going to go to MQL4. We're going to go to Experts, and we're going to paste in waka, which is right here. And then we're going to close this, and then we're going to move over to the Expert Advisors, and we're going to right mouse click and hit refresh. And then you can see the waka EA version 4.43 fix is here. Hold on to that and drag that across and drop. This is going to allow us to use this system. So you can see supported currency pairs is AUD CAD, AUD NZD, and NZD CAD. Okay, what I'm doing with this, as I said to you before, is we're going to click on Common. We're going to go to Allow DAO Imports. We're also going to click on Allow Live Trading. We're going to go to Inputs, and we're going to hit the Load button. All right, this is what you'll need to do. This has already opened the presets folder. We're going to double click on here and click the waka set file, and now hit Open. Okay, this has loaded everything up. That's all we need to do. Now hit OK. Don't panic. This takes about 5 to 6 seconds for the screen to refresh, and you'll notice that it's done its stuff. It's telling us that it needs a time of 15-minute window, so we need to change this here like so. Okay, and it's going to refresh and it's going to do what it needs to do. You'll notice the news field has been disabled. Terminal trading is not allowed. This is because we haven't allowed it in the auto trading. I'm just going to show you the last bit, and then this is up and running. We're going to click on the auto trading tab. Okay, we're also going to go to Tools. We're going to go to Options. We're going to go to Expert Advisors, and we're going to make sure that Allow Automated Trading is on. We're going to take these 2 ticks off, and we're going to allow inputs, and then we're going to hit OK. And what this will do now is live trading is now enabled, and you'll see that this is actually up and running. Okay, so if we go to trade, you'll see that we've still got 100k which we're playing with, and this is set up where this is running around about 10k. Okay, so basically, you know, you need a minimum of a certain amount of money, which I'm going to go through with inside the trading training when we do the waka EA. Okay, so that's what I wanted to show you on that one. So you now seen this one that's operational. The next thing that you want to set up, okay, once you've got this set up, is you want to set up your geek. And then you could have your geek on here as well. What I would be inclined to do at the moment is, with this video, I don't want this to run on too long, but it just basically shows you it's all set up now. Okay, we'll just take this, let's click on here, bring that down a little bit, and you'll see that if you watch this, it's going to give you your floating P&L open start lot, your next price and your trading. So it's going to give you an idea of what your profit margin is as well. Okay, so that's it. That's the end of this video. I will keep you updated on what's going on with the MT4 account. You can see that this is up and running now. Watch out for my new video when I bring up the new EX45, which I will be joining, and I'll be showing you how to set this up, etc., including the set files. So watch out for that next video. In the meantime, get your head around the MT4, start getting it set up, and use this particular thing when it's launched, and this is going to help build up your account very, very quickly. All the very best until my next video. Thank you. Bye now.